Well, hello YouTube. It's certainly been a while. We are in Tulum. We just got here to Tulum and we just checked into our hotel, which is Habitas. It's lovely, although we haven't seen anything except for our room yet. Also a couple of just, I guess, quick updates before I jump into the whole hotel and vacation spiel. We did get engaged a few weeks ago, almost a month ago now. We got engaged on June 9th. If you follow me on like Instagram, you would know that, but I know a lot of you don't. This is not my real engagement ring, although this is very close to what my real one looks like. I just brought like a fake, cheaper one to Tulum because I knew we would be in the beach and in the pool and like jumping into cenotes and going to ruins, and I just didn't want to bring my real one with me and risk it. Also because this hotel where we're staying doesn't have like real doors with locks. It's like tents basically. It's like glamping, but it is really nice and I can actually feel the AC now. The other quick update, I just lost my cell phone literally on the way to Cancun. We flew from Houston to Cancun and I fly all the time. I literally just flew back from Scotland on Sunday. That's the other update. I just went to Scotland for 2 weeks and I forgot the camera, so I don't have vlog from that, but I just lost my phone in the airport right before we came here, which is really annoying and stressful, and it's also just kind of like, what can you do? I'll just get a new one when I get back. I'm pretty sure no one's gonna turn it into the airport, although I think I might try to call the airport right now. But my mom already called them. Gave my mom all my like AT&T login information, and she called them and told them my phone was lost, so they suspended the service and stuff, but it's still just like freaking me out. We're here for 5 days. I can live without my phone for 5 days, and then I'll just get a new one when we get back to Houston. So I guess we could show you around the room now after all those updates. Some very good news and some also very tragic news about the phone, but mostly very good and happy and excited to be here.
Got engaged on vacation.
We didn't actually get engaged on vacation. We got engaged in Houston, and I'll show you my real engagement ring when I get back. But it does look a lot like this. I just got this one on Amazon and it's not real, but it's the same shape and pretty much same size and stuff. So this is our room. Which is actually just a glorified tent. Carpet over here. I was told this is drinkable water. And we have a little fridge. We do have a fridge with more water, by the way. And then the bed, which looks very nice and comfortable. I love that macrame hanging above it. There is AC in here. We got some robes and a full-length mirror over here, and then sink area with a safe, and then a little closet over here just to put your clothes or whatever. And then the most interesting part, maybe, the shower is outdoors. And so is the toilet. And out here, a little patio, I guess. Chairs. And that's the room tour.